All right, class. In this video, I'm going to give you a really brief kind of introduction to how to get started with this course. The instructions here are going to be the same whether you're in my 091 or my 121 course. So a little bit of the example, I will be showing the actual 091 course, so don't panic if you're in 121. So first and foremost, you want to be at this website, which is coursecompass.com. You should see that in the email that I sent out. It also will forward you to a website that says Pearson MyLabandMastering.com, which is kind of a mouthful. I think that coursecompass.com is easier. Either one will take you to the same place, which is this page right here. Okay. Eventually, you'll be signing in, clicking on that button. But for now, you need to get registered, which you can see this nice little link below there, which says register and then student, since you're the student. It'll take you to this page, which you will then need to enter the course ID that I sent in that email. The one I'm entering right now is for an 091 course, so make sure refer to the email itself, especially if you're in my 121 class. This may not be the exact course ID for you, but it's going to give us an example. Okay. Next thing you're going to do is hit continue. And from there, you're going to have a couple different options. One thing you should see right here, the correct course. This is going to, again, put you into my course itself. Okay, so if you're in my 091, you should say 091. If you're in 121, make sure you see 121. Make sure you see my name there. This end date is not the exact end date of the course itself. Don't panic. The course doesn't finish up at the end of June. I just put a date after the end date of the actual course, which is in the start of May. That way, if you really wanted to go back into the course afterwards and check some things out, look at your grade, maybe do some review because you're going to take a summer school course or a course in the fall, the course will still be open for you. So that's for your benefit, but again, don't panic because it says June 30th right there. Okay. From here, you're going to want to actually sign in. If you've taken a previous course, what you can do is just type right in the username and the password. If you haven't taken a course before with MyMathLab, what you'll need to do is create a Pearson account. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of make something up right now. So I will do this quickly. Let's have this right here be our username. Make up a password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which that's not really my password, so don't think. And then from there, make up a fake name. What is my father's middle name? That. And I will accept that. All right. So, oops. I guess I need to have one letter. Let's put an A at the end of it. All right. So let's create this fake account so we can kind of move on from here. Now, this is the part that will be more relevant to you. You have a couple different options. Okay. One option is, say you bought a textbook at Phoenix College, or maybe you bought an access code at the bookstore or online somewhere. If that's the case, you'll click right here, and then you'll be able to, which you'll see if I click on that, type in the information, the numbers and the letters that you got in that access code. If you didn't buy an access code somewhere else, what you can do is you can purchase it right here. This is probably, in my opinion, the easiest way to go because then you don't have to type anything else in. If you just click right here, use a credit card or PayPal on that link, you can type that information in, and then you can buy it right here, and then it will just automatically sign you up. So in my opinion, this is probably the easiest way to go. Just type your information on that page, and then go from there, and you will get access to the course. Okay. So once again, when you're at the start there, make sure you type in the correct course ID, which will then show you my course over here. You'll have to either register a new account, type in the information. Don't use fake information like I did. Type in your real email address, which is important because if I send emails out, I want to make sure that you're getting them. So type in an email address that you use, and then you'll be taken to this page where you can either enter an access code or you can just purchase the access code, purchase the access using a credit card or PayPal. Okay. Once that happens, once you get access to the course, you will see something that looks kind of like this. Will look a little bit different because this right here is actually what it looks like to me. So some of the stuff over here is going to be a little different since you don't have access to the grade book and whatnot. Just as a few quick things, I'll send some other videos out that go more in depth, but just kind of for right now, you'll see announcements down here. They will populate each week. Make sure to look at those. I include a lot of videos in the announcements, which will be important. You can click and view all the announcements by clicking on that link. You're going to see your upcoming assignments. So right now, all the assignments from this first week of class are going to be due next Saturday, which is February 9th. And you also see kind of your progress over here and your overall score. It's nice. It's just right there when you log in. Okay. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have access to the syllabus. You also have access to the course calendar. I highly recommend that you save this on your computer, print it out, stick it on the refrigerator, put it somewhere important because each and every week you will be able to see what what is assigned and what is due. And once again, this is for 091. That it would be different for Math 121. Also, under here, say for homework, this is where you're going to access your homework problems. And then as you go down, you will have quizzes and tests. In Math 121, there aren't any quizzes, so don't panic if you don't see the quizzes there. But in 121, there aren't quizzes, they're just tests. In 091, we have quizzes and tests. Okay, so you click on this link to be able to access that. Then we have the grade book. We can click there to see what the grade is. And then down here, we have the first discussion forum and the additional ones. Make sure if this is the first week, which it should be, if you're just getting started, go to discussion forum 1 and post to introduce yourself to myself and the rest of the class. And so I hope to see you post in there, and I will be posting more videos here to kind of, like I said, give you more in-depth information about the course and some of the features we have. But for right now, hopefully that was helpful, and look forward to a great semester. Thanks.